Welcome to my channel, Quiz Tracer.
Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of axolotls. These rare and mysterious creatures, also known as the Mexican walking fish, are full of surprises. From their incredible ability to regrow limbs to their playful behaviors, axolotls are truly nature's little marvels. Stick around for a fun and fascinating quiz that will test your knowledge and reveal some mind-blowing facts about these amazing amphibians.
1. What is the nickname of axolotls? Yes, you said it right, Mexican walking fish. How cool is that? 2. In what country are axolotls naturally found? The answer is Mexico. Absolutely amazing. Axolotls are native to Mexico, such a fascinating land. 3. How do axolotls breathe? Wow, you nailed it. Axolotls breathe through their gills and skin. Isn't that incredible? 4. What makes axolotls unique among amphibians? Bravo! Axolotls retaining gills as adults is truly remarkable. 5. What is the typical color of wild axolotls? That's right, dark brown with speckles, nature's own camouflage masterpiece. 6. What is a rare ability of axolotls? Amazing! Regrowing lost limbs makes axolotls the true superheroes of the animal kingdom. 7. What is the lifespan of an axolotl in captivity? Yes, that's correct, 10 to 15 years. These little creatures live a surprisingly long life. The axolotls belong to which class of animals? That's perfect. Axolotls are amphibians, sharing this class with frogs and salamanders. 9. What do axolotls primarily eat? Spot on. Small aquatic creatures are their favorite meal, yum. 10. How do axolotls reproduce? Yes, you're right, by laying eggs, ensuring the next generation of these wonders. 11. Why are axolotls considered critically endangered? Correct. Habitat destruction is sadly a huge threat to these beautiful beings. 12. How long can axolotls grow? That's amazing! Up to 12 inches, quite impressive for such a delicate creature. 13. What is the scientific name of the axolotl? Brilliant! Ambystoma mexicanum, a name as unique as the axolotl itself. 14. What feature allows axolotls to remain aquatic all their life? Yes, absolutely. Their external gills are what keep them in the water their whole lives. 15. Which body part can an axolotl regenerate? Incredible! They can regenerate limbs, tails, and even parts of their organs, truly miraculous. 16. What is a leucistic axolotl? Spot on! A leucistic axolotl is that adorable white and pink wonder. 17. How do axolotls find their food? That's correct. Axolotls use their keen sense of smell and vibrations to locate food. Clever hunters. 15. What is the primary habitat of axolotls in the wild? Perfect. Lakes and canals are their homes, a watery paradise for these creatures. 19. Axolotls are often studied for their ability to regenerate what? Correct. Their ability to regenerate limbs and spinal cords is revolutionary for science. 20. What unusual characteristic do axolotls retain as adults? Amazing! They retain their juvenile features, a phenomenon known as neoteny. 21. Why are axolotls considered important in medical research? Yes, that's it. Their tissue regeneration ability is paving the way for groundbreaking research. 22. Axolotls are native to which iconic Mexican lake? Spot on. Lake Xochimilco is their natural habitat, a true treasure of Mexico. 23. What is the average weight of an adult axolotl? Yes, exactly. Less than 1 pound, tiny but mighty. 24. What happens to axolotls in low-oxygen environments? Correct. They breathe through their skin more, adapting like pros. 25. What time of day are axolotls most active? The answer is nighttime. That's right, nighttime. These little ones are true nocturnal adventurers. 26. What kind of vision do axolotls have? Absolutely correct. They may have poor vision, but they excel at sensing vibrations. 27. Which type of axolotl is popular as a pet? Yes, leucistic axolotls are the favorite with their cute pinkish-white appearance. 28. How many chromosomes do axolotls have compared to humans? Amazing! Twice as many chromosomes, what an extraordinary genome! 29. How do axolotls protect themselves from predators? Perfect! By hiding and staying motionless, they're masters of stealth. 30. What type of skeleton do axolotls have? Yes, you nailed it. Axolotls have a bone skeleton, sturdy yet flexible.